Guys, can you guess where am I now after the flower dome? We are in Cloud Forest. Oh, it's kind of nice. Going there, Cloud Forest. Oh guys, tignan natin yung mga tao. May mga family take picture, may mga family, may mga banding, Sunday banding. Oh, see the water, man-made waterfalls from top there. We're going there. After that, alam niyo guys, kaya minsan gumagala ako mag-isa dito kasi member ako. Sayang kasi kung hindi ko siya, hindi ko gamitin, di ba? So, just go with it. Just walk around, then see what you can see. Oh, there's some noise. Dinig niyo yung mga natunog. Guys, have you heard all the noises? Ang dami. Ano ba yan? May mga dinosaur. Oh. I've been here for so many nights. Oh, may graduation photo pa sila. Wow, danger. Oh, mga bata takot sila sa noise ng dinosaur. Oh. Dinosaur. Nag-iingay yung dinosaur, guys. Have you heard the dinosaurs making a noise? Going up. Jungle. Ooh, but I don't know where am I going. Where is the staircase to going to the evolution? Oh, diba? Okay. Saan na tayo pupunta? Going upstairs now. Lift to the lower. We're going up. Lift. We're going to the lift. I'm not going upstairs. Oh. Going to start climbing to the last. Start your climb last one. To the last one. Gumana ako mag-isa. Because I need to use my membership right, guys. So yung membership ko hanggang August na lang. Then let's see if I can use it until meron pang 2 months ako magagamit. See you again here next week. Ooh. White Persian. Ang ganda ng design nila.
Spider is inside my photo. Spider is in my photo.
Na tayo, palabas na tayo. pumunta rito guys. I pay for it, so I need to go. And I can go anytime I want. So Sunday lang naman ako pwedeng pumunta, gumala. So we see what is inside here. I'm not sure. Nakita ko na dati to, pero tignan natin kung may latest o bago sila. Way out. No. Okay. Way out. Tignan natin to. Okay. I saw that one the last time I got the came over here. So hindi na. Diba guys? So, okay ba? Outfit, okay ba? Woo! Meron bang supermarket na malapit dito kayo? I'm not sure. Mag-way out na naman tayo. We're not going anywhere. Oh, way out na tayo guys. I want to go somewhere. Nahilo ako dun guys. Where is the out down? So how where I am going down? Nandito naman ako dito.
Help you?
I need picture, just picture.
Alright, okay, now if you use the back of your hand like this, you can gently pat her on the top. Yes, just like that. There you go. Now she wants you to pet her more, so she does it. Just use the back of your hand.
Shaking.
Flip your hand around like this. Yeah, she's very sensitive. There we go, that's very nice.
Plus the palms have a lot more natural oils and sweat. And it'll be like that.
Guys, like see this. It's a crystal. Guys, you see this one? Ooh. Ooh. Just walk around. Oh, okay guys. Going now. Bye-bye. Ayan. Dito kami sa... Oh, so dark. There's some dinosaur in there. Oh. How about this one? Spitting dinosaur. Oh, it's really spitting. Oh, okay. To spit. Wait. Oh, okay. That's two dinosaurs. Itong isa. Wala si Blue. Blue is missing. Adventure. Okay. Oh, we are in the secret garden, guys. Ah, oh, I know this one. I've been here before, guys. The secret garden. Tagal kong hindi nakapunta rito. The secret garden. Secret garden, guys. So sad. Hindi ko nadala dito yung anak ko last time. Kasi sarado ata itong secret garden the last time na pumunta sila dito. Oh, may mga dinosaur pala dun. Mga pumunong dinosaur. Oh, see? What you see? Oh, mga stone. A secret garden. The secret garden. There's some dinosaur in there. The secret garden is here. So we're done. Ang ingay ng mga dinosaur, ano? Sobrang ingay naman nila. Ayan, nagalit. At pinagalitan pa yung mga dinosaur. Oh. Okay. Ang ganda naman ng upuan na to. Look how they curve it. Guys. Guys, is a fed. Ay, fish. Fish head.